Set it down. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Over in Kentucky. Mr. Gary. If you can see, we got my machine. And you probably can't see it, but we got Gary's machine back there too. We're on our way to 3-Star Industries. I got a special treat for all you 950 people. We're going to be taking this down there so they can do some measurements and create a couple of cool things. So we'll keep you updated, and I'll let you know what it is, and how much it costs, and where you can get it, all that great kind of information after we get there. Need a bigger trailer now that me and my wife both have machines, and Gary and I are going to the CFMoto takeover down at Main Street Cycle in like 2 weeks. So we'll need a bigger trailer then, so we can bring both our machines down there. So we'll check in with you and see you at 3-Star. What are they doing?
They're fixing my back window. They're measuring everything up and maybe even making a new product. I don't even know. Could be for a new window that 3-Star makes for harnesses.
Intense discussion going on right now.
Look at yours. They're going to count on it too.
Are they? Oh, we got some special secret stuff coming for the 950. Stay tuned. Right now they're trying to outfit Gary's rear windshield with harnesses. They're actually coming up with a really cool design that's going to be 2 pieces. So that's great. And they're making some adjustments to the full enclosure for the 950. And we might be having something special coming for the roof. Stay tuned.
A pink chicken shirt? Would he wear a pink chicken shirt?
We'll make him wear the pink chicken shirt.
Nick.
Yeah.
Well, there's no bar over here. Rush job. You gonna sew some Velcro on there?
So look at that. Now that they've got it up here, I think they're gonna either do away with this zipper here or this zipper here. They're both basically do the same thing. No sense in having 2 zippers to do the same thing, but I love how it fits along the door. You don't have to worry about it getting snagged on anything. Tucks in right here to block this little hole where stuff comes in through. He should still be able to fit a front and rear windshield on here, I think, with no problems. It looks good. It's a nice fit. You got the cutout for the mirrors if you want it, or no cutout for the mirrors if you don't want it. It's gonna be awesome. They've got the measurements and everything done for the clear tinted roof. They're gonna be cutting it out of cardboard here shortly. Sitting it up there, see if there's any adjustments they need to make, and hopefully I'll be rolling out of here with a clear tinted roof today. Find out. So just a little background here. This is how patterns start. They start, this thing will cut a piece of cardboard. They're gonna take this piece of cardboard, they're gonna go measure the bends, see what they need. They'll come back, make adjustments, and then cut a real one, test fit it, see what happens, and go from there. So now that the top is cut, I'm gonna bring it out, see how it fits. Again, the pattern, it'll fit just like that, so it'll be a low profile style roof. We'll figure out what kind of bend they need to make back here, probably where the mounting holes need to go, and then we will have a clear tinted roof. You see him scoring the holes here. So we'll go back here and see how they're doing on Gary's machine. I know they've already got the windows cut. I saw them fit the front one, it fits perfect. And so the back one, it's gonna, the option, if you get it with the harnesses, because this gap here is so small and those harnesses stick out the way they do, those harness mounts, this is gonna actually slide back up in here on the inside, and then the back part is going to go on the outside, so the harness straps can still just slide right underneath the window. You don't have to mess with anything. It's fitted to go around all this. Wonderfully, wonderfully designed. Perfect fit. They're so good at what they do here. So what you're seeing right now is the first ever Z950 clear tinted roof being cut. You have no idea how excited I am about this piece. Stay tuned. Fitting this bottom lower piece I told you about. It's a perfect fit.
No.
Let's just see the harnesses just come right over top of it. Connect with some quick install straps. Top part will sit on the outside and the harnesses will just pass underneath them. Continue on to the inside. So now we're taking the roof. We're gonna make the first test bend of Gary.
What are you doing?
The marks. First spin I believe is 30, next one I believe is 45.
Oh yeah.
I'll make the adjustment. 5. And we're gonna go see how she fits. Fitting the top of the rear on Gary's. Let's go see how she fits. Now settle down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And look, see, the door can fully open with the enclosure attached. Just unzip it, door opens, no problems. But this clear tinted roof is awesome. Perfect fit right there, around everything.
So we got straps that they needed to pull. They're pushing out.
You see it fits right over top of,
Oh, right.
so they'll be able to come in here still just fine.
No,
The most satisfying thing of buying a windshield is pulling the stuff off. Man, look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Clear tinted. Beautiful. As you can see through it. It's just tinted. These two fellows here are the masterminds that run the machine. And it looks so good. I love that you can't even tell it's a split windshield at all. Oh, it looks so good. And this is how they're able to get things done so quickly. They all jump in, everybody helps. Getting ready to drill the holes for the roof. And then you got the ladies over here just cutting and stitching and testing and zippering. Cutting goes on back there. But yeah, here we go. So this out here is where they take their website pictures and things like that. Pretty cool. It sits way up on this big hill and there's farms and all kinds of stuff around. Alright, so finishing up the Fitment. Fits with the 3-star front windshield. Fits just fine with the 3-star rear windshield. It's really dirty, sorry about that. And it also fits perfect with the enclosure. The upper doors. Man, oh man, look at that. That looks so good. It looks so different with the low profile roof on it. Not the big bubbly roof. Looks great. Okay, so we made it back home. Dropped the trailer off that we borrowed. Gary's split rear windshield. Front vented windshield. Rear is vented too. Up top there. It's fit with the harnesses. What do you think of them?
Sharp, real sharp. They did a heck of a job.
It's crazy how fast they work too.
All of them at once. Just
Yeah.
like that.
So Gary's fixed up and looking good. I got the upper doors for mine. I've taken them off for taking it back home, but there's the clear tinted roof. Somebody asked me if it was get hot. I don't know. I'm hoping the tint will kind of not let that happen. These can stay attached. I'll probably take them off until it begins to get cold. Gotta restrap this back in. I may actually end up taking this out and switching, putting this one in the 800EX and taking the Memphis Audio one. So we'll see. So I think the Memphis Audio one I might be able to fit back here, which if I can, that'll leave all of this wide open for me to be able to see while I drive.